good morning. So guys, this is 5:31. 5:31. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. So I want to make coconut rice. I think this is going to be my first time making coconut rice. Yeah. So I didn't make it yesterday. So I want to make coconut rice and also show you guys our Sunday morning routine. Aside from cooking, and I don't cook every Sunday morning. I just show you guys some of the things we're going to be doing today. So guys, come, let's go make a very delicious coconut rice. Okay, so we're going to take you guys so let's go together. Let's go.
Welcome to my channel. I know Jennifer real life moments, and nothing filtered in my life story. Love and laughter, everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Jennifer, always keeping it real. I know Jennifer, I know Jennifer. Always keeping it real, 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 Jennifer. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Jennifer. I know Jennifer. I know Jennifer.
Go check that book.
Welcome to my channel. I know Jennifer real life moments. Nothing filtered, mom life story. Love and laughter. Everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Jennifer, always keeping it Welcome to my channel. I know Rouge Jennifer, real life moments. And nothing filtered, mom life stories, love and laughter. Everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Rouge Jennifer, always keeping it real. No Rouge Jennifer. Always keeping it real, 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 Jennifer. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Jennifer, always keeping it real. I know Jennifer. I know Jennifer.
So guys, I don't even know what time it's now, but I think it should be till 7 or so. So I'm done making the coconut rice, and God, it tastes so delicious. So now my children has already baked. I didn't get that on camera, so I want to quickly make my daughter's hair. Yeah, so that when I come back, I will rest. So we're supposed to leave here by to 9 or 8 o'clock. So everything I was saying before my phone went off. This is 7:30, and I'm done cooking. Hey, stop that now. So guys, I'm done cooking. We are supposed to be in church by 8:30 or so. So I want to quickly make Jenny's hair. Don't worry, it's straight. It's not going to waste time. Before 8, I'll be done. Yes, before 8 I'll be done. Or we're going for second service. Second service is by 9. So let's see how much time I'm going to take to make that hair. But it's not going to take time. So I will see you guys. I'm not going to capture that on camera because there's no time. So I will see you guys when we are done, okay? Bye. It's actually light. Let me plug my phone. So guys, we are done with our hair. Mama, what will you say to mommy? You're welcome. Your hair is so beautiful. So she's ready for church. Fine girl. Fine girl. Clack it. Clack it. Clack it. My baby is clapping. Your hair is very fine. Turn. My boy is ready for church. My boy is ready for church. Oh yeah, turn, handsome boy. Turn now. I push you good. Let me go and bathe. My boy is ready for church. My boy is ready for church. Please don't mind this. So this is rag. My boy is ready for church. Cute boy.
Morning light, little hands on me. Messy love, my reality. Not perfect, but my heart is full. This simple